guys, in this video we are going to see about USD JPY short trade and liquidity sieve plus fairly grab entry in New York Killzone. Today I have taken two trades, so I am uploading one trade which is by my mistake. So what the mistake I did in this trade I will explain you guys. So what are the factor I used in this trade, which is buy side liquidity and above SMT. So I will wait for the higher time frame above this liquidity. So today I don't get any higher time frame PT array above this buy side liquidity. So I went for SMT in USD CHFI. So I will show you why I consider that SMT. After that, here is a market structure shift in 5 minutes and fairly gap which is in here, which is my entry in this area by this fairly gap, and my target one is this area and my target two is this area. What my aim is to close. If the body closes below this, I will hold the trade for this T2. If the wick come and retrace, I will close my trade in this area. So this is my overall setup. So first thing I should improve in this trade setup. I should close my trade in a New York kill zone, or otherwise London close kill zone. So what the mistake I did in this trade, I have find the mistake. So I am going to explain you guys. So very simple why I am going to take this trade. First I have explain you very briefly why I have take this trade, and first reason which is a liquidity. I have taken in this video, in every video I will say liquidity. If you don't understand liquidity in the market, you will get liquidity in the market. So understand the concept and apply in the live market, then only you can get a real knowledge of trading. So if you learn something, apply in the market, otherwise not applying the market is really waste of really waste of time, guys. So let's first we are start from weekly. So I removing this. So first we are going to a weekly time frame what the market is going to see here. So first thing I am seeing here is, which is I will remove everything, then only can easily understand. So wait guys, everything has been in. Oh my god, oh, this is not completely set. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, okay, now we can remove this. So wait guys, if you remove this, I can keep this. So why I think the market is bearish? Due to this inversion FEG, the market get reversed. Here is an FEG, so I think the market is going to reverse due to the bias is bearish. So this FEG react very strongly. So if the body closes below this area, there is a chance of market going higher rise. So if the body closes below this, so there is a chance of market is going to be fall down. So first reason this is in weekly, the market should be bearish. After that, the market is showing here the sign of bearish in this area. So then I have choose. So I am going to a low time frame for daily to what the market is doing in the daily. So market had taken this liquidity. So I think after taking this liquidity, market will go up. So it has been happened in day. So I have missed this setup because I have went out. So I have missed this setup. So I am actually waiting for another setup. Okay, overall bias is bearish. So if we are, so why I'm taking here buy means if market won't go like this, the market move like this, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So in retracement, we can try to capture the retracement leg. So in this area, I try to capture the retracement leg, so I don't get. So where I get trapped. So guys, I will explain you. So in on day, this shows very bullish sign. So but in weekly it is bearish and something wait in 4 hour I have trapped this area. So in 4 hour the market sign is bullish. So in weekly market is bearish, in daily market is bullish. So first mistake I have did in daily bias. My first mistake I have did in daily bias. To identifying the daily bias, this is the key role to in our trading. If you don't know the bias, don't know it. Today I have take two trades. First trade from gold which hit my stop loss due to my careless mistake. I have taken a trade and I forgot it. After some time, there is a notification in mobile phone which the market has been hit my stop loss. So after that, I think, oh, I have taken a trade in the gold, so I have not closed, so I have lost minimum $17. Which is first trade. I lost lot of money, so I will risk only 10 to $12 per trade. But this trade, which due to my careless mistakes. So another mistake I did in this trade. So we can go to 1 hour. I will majority of the time I will wait for 1 hour to watch the chart. So I have considered this liquidity sweep. So where the second mistake I have did it this liquidity sweep. So I have teach you guys after taking a liquidity. So after taking a liquidity, there should be a huge displacement. So in this area, after taking a liquidity, there is a displacement. So I had trapped this area. So I think here is a liquidity. First, I think here is one liquidity point which is a red color, and here is another liquidity. So I think market should not go about to take this liquidity. So I'm waiting for the market. I think it won't be take this size. So the area where I trapped this area. I should wait for market to take these two highs. So this is a relative highs. If I wait for this highs, here is a sell trade. We can target here. I will show you guys how to take this sell trades. So why I take this trade after breaching a buy sell liquidity, waiting for a high. Oh, next I have go to the. There is no higher time PDRI in this above area. So I go to a SMT. SMT. I have teach you about a SMT. Go to this control compare signal and go to knee panel and select your pair. So in this area where I draw a SMT is, here is a high, guys. Here is a high. So this wait, guys, I zoom in. So I have drawn from this area. You can match your cursor here. So at that time when I was in market, the market won't break this size. You can see here. So I call this as SMT. So in this area you can see here there is an SMT. Why? Because we call this breakout as SMT. So it is a positively correlated pair. USD JPY and USD CHF is a positively correlated pair. So guys, so second confirmation which is we called as SMT in USD CHFI. So I go to a lower time frame for entry. So in lower time frame, I get a after okay. I think another why I take this trade due to this manipulation. So I think the manipulation get over. So after taking this liquidity, I think market should fall, but the market trapped me in this area. I think after taking this liquidity, you can see in a lower time frame market have given me a huge displacement. So I think there is a opportunity in this area. So I go to trade in this area. So here is my entry point. So this is my market structure shift. Okay, I think here is my entry, which is this FEG. I'm waiting to market to come this FEG. FEG more this is an FEG. So I am waiting for market to come here. So definitely market come in few. I think few minutes. I think few minutes. And the bias is wrong. And then my stop loss is too short. I keep only $7 for this trade and I get stop loss. My target is this. My I think so. My T1 is 79 pip because I think the market is overall bullish. When it go down, I think it will take large liquidity. So I keep 70 pips. So this is my first target. So guys, I think you may understand about this trading. This is now my thing and what is the mistake I have did. So guys, don't make the same mistake several times. Clear the mistake, don't repeat it, learn from it. Okay guys, this is my tune. So guys, I hope you may understand. So one of the good thing I have mentioned in this trade is risk management, which is 1 is to 7. Guys, 1 is to 7. 1 is to 7, which is a good risk to ratio, 1 is to 7. So I have lost only $7 in gold. I am feeling that, so loss is a part of game. In 1 weeks ago, I have recovered all lost. After that, I have too negative, so I don't give up. So trust the process, everything will happen, guys. So keep moving. Every small step keeps you moving forward. So guys, if you have a doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will teach you guys. Bye traders. Bye.